Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Donjo number 1632 626. This is a satin chrome Dutch door bolt, is what this is. Nice quality Dutch door bolt. It's made of solid brass. I'm going to remove the staple that's here because I want to show you the spring that's on the inside of it. It's just a loose sort of spring. Has a nice floating sort of design as a result of that spring. Okay. Both of them have that. Okay. The 626 stands for two things. First of all, it means that it's solid brass and that it's in a satin chrome finish. Okay. This is an 8-inch version. Let's get the tape measure and check the dimensional properties of the item now. And that length is really a length of the bolt to the center of the knob. Very attractive, large knob that's here. Speaking of the dimensional properties, there is a link below this video to a document called Template, which will give all of the dimensional properties of the bolt, so we won't beleaguer all those points here. They show the referred to strikes as well. Okay, this is going to be available in the other finishes that are listed. 605 is polished brass, 613 is oil rub bronze, 619 is satin nickel, 620 is antique nickel, 625 is polished chrome, and 626 is satin chrome. Okay, now where you're going to use this? Well, this is called a Dutch door bolt, so it would be very commonly used to secure the top leaf of a Dutch door down to the bottom leaf of a Dutch door. And that's certainly the common application for a Dutch door bolt. It's also appropriate to use just to secure any door. Dutch door bolt, the term Dutch door, always, in my experience, indicates a door that's slightly more decorative than a standard surface bolt, because you can, in essence, use a standard surface bolt to secure the upper and lower parts of a Dutch door together as well. But when you say Dutch door, you're possibly using it for that application, and it's most likely a decorative bolt. Okay, little nice round knob, fancy pads for the sliding of the bolt. You've got a pin in the back that shows the restriction of the bolt, so your travel is going to be that distance, how far you can get the bolt to extend. Okay, it's restricted between, obviously, the knob and that pin. Give you an idea of what the projection of the bolt is. That dimension's not given. It's 1 1/8 projection of the bolt once it's thrown. It's a half circle sort of design on that bolt. Now, many strikes are included. All 3 common strikes are included, and I'm going to show them to you one at a time here. You've got a surface strike, you've got a mortise strike, and a rim strike. They're not named on that link to the template, but we're going to go over it now. The bottom line regarding the strikes is that whatever your application is, there will be a strike that will allow you to install it properly. First of all, a bag of screws are going to be included. Okay, that's for securing your bolt and your strike. Plenty of screws provided. You're going to have a surface strike here. You could use this for a variety. You could mortise this into a jamb, very commonly how you're going to see this. You could certainly surface mount it. If you were going to mortise this, you could have a outswinging door, I suppose. You could make this work on an outswinging door. It'd be more typical to have it installed in the header, anywhere, or in a window application, anywhere where this sort of L angle is going to be appropriate for your application. You're going to have a mortise strike, and this can be installed on a push side application where you're going to mortise this, let's say, to the header, okay, to the stop of the frame, or to the rabbet of the frame, I suppose, depending on your installation. Okay, and of course your rim strike This would be very typical for that in-swinging door application, a single door, where you're going to mortise it. And all of the dimensions for the strikes are given there. Nice quality decorative bolt by Donjo. Very, very decorative. Nice fit and finish on the 626 satin chrome finish. Okay. The name John Joe is synonymous with all things trim and auxiliary hardware related, not only typical surface bolts like this that you'll find commonly, but door stops and kick plates. What they're most known for naturally is the door reinforcing wraparound plates and their line of latch protectors as well. There is below this video a link to the manufacturer page where you can pull up their product catalog and view all of their comprehensive offering of not only surface bolts but those other categories of hardware as well, in addition to others as well. If you have any questions on the Donjo 1632, 626, 8-inch Dutch door bolt, or any other Donjo product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.